Symptoms of COVID-19 include shortness of breath, fever, and cough. If you show signs of this illness, please be sure to stay home and call your healthcare provider for further guidance. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, there are steps that every single Baltimore resident can take today. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. When coughing or sneezing, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue and then throw that tissue away. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. If you are sick, stay home. Study shows that 80% of patients with COVID-19 have a mild illness, but 20% of patients develop more serious illness. According to the CDC, higher risk populations include, number 1, older adults over the age of 60, number 2, people with certain underlying health conditions like heart disease, lung disease, and diabetes. Residents who fall into these categories are recommended to take additional steps to ensure they are safe. Number 1, enlist the help of caretakers or family to help with getting food and home supplies. Number 2, reach out to your provider to request an additional supply of medication. Number 3, take extra care to avoid large crowds in areas where you might come into contact with someone with COVID-19. Number 4, if there is a COVID-19 outbreak in your area, stay home as much as possible to reduce your risk of catching COVID-19. Number 5, the CDC also recommends not taking any cruise ship travel at this time and non-essential air travel. Everyone can play a part in supporting older adults and people at most risk. I encourage that everyone who is a family caregiver to older adults or someone who is chronically ill or has a family member, neighbor, or friend who is at most risk to lend a hand by, number 1, knowing what medication your loved one is taking, number 2, helping monitor food and other supplies like oxygen, incontinence products, and create a backup plan to get additional supplies. Number 3, stocking up on non-perishable food items. Number 4, caregivers who need additional community support for their loved ones can call Mayoral Access Point at 410-396-CARE or 410-396-2273.